All right, this here is our ESP. Believe it or not, this is steel paneled home. It's 10 foot by 20 foot. We've sold probably, what, Amanda, 30, 40 of these?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Beautiful floor plan. This one is for sale. All right, we hardly ever come out with a house that is built and ready. We're selling this. Now you can change the color of stucco. We're putting one more coat on this. So if you wanted to change the color of this stucco, let us know if you want to buy this home. This home is for $50,000. All right, out the door, ready to go. If you want it on a coveted, is that the right word?
Coveted, yes.
Forest lot.
Forest lot.
Forest lot, everybody.
That are non-existent, okay?
This home on a forest lot,
yes,
set up, right, with steps. We'll put steps on there for you.
Yeah.
$60,000.
Yeah.
All right, out the door. Let's walk through this and show you exactly everything about it. It is our ESP panel home, stucco, my favorite style home. I designed it, but I like the stucco. I really enjoyed the stucco, how it looks and everything. This will be so if you do want a different color, let us know. And the color of the trim will be painted or stained.
And two, probably talking about with the colors, we have several colors to choose from. So if you buy it now, you have the opportunity to change the color. If not, we're going to change the color. We're going to do the color.
And we're going to be doing it quick. So it's almost done. The inside, we're just stucco on it. Everything's done on the house except for stucco. So that's why we wanted to show you. We can get it going. You guys know us. We got one. Let's do it and get it going. We sold a $100,000 house yesterday.
We did. We sold the 10 by 29 Minnesota build. We knew that it wouldn't last long. It got sold yesterday.
We videoed it and it was gone that evening. Right, spoken for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So, I know there was 4 or 5 other builders that were, or owners, people, potential buyers that were looking at homes. So this is another one for you. This is 10 by 20. Let's walk around and show them. All right. Okay. Of course, picture window.
Yep.
Which way you want to go? This way? All right. Picture window, gable end, porch light, 3.0 door. 3.0 door means a 3-foot wide door. All right. It's all going to be, of course, painted, change color, stucco. And I'll go inside and point out the lights, but you got 3 windows in the living room. You've got 2 dormers with an egress windows on each one. This is your kitchen. This is your range hood. Direct vent out from your range.
I love that you put that great big wide board on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I trim them out because it's such a transition to go from wood to metal.
Yes.
And so we like to cover that up.
Looks so nice.
Mini split, of course. This house is turnkey ready to go.
I love it.
An exhaust fan for your bathroom. It's got all wood soffit trim, overhang, metal roof, corners.
So we're either going to put the same color again, right? Or they can choose a different color. Or we can choose it,
Well, I was going to do the color, and then you said, hey, let the owner, if we're going to put it up for sale, they can choose the color. But it's going to take a little bit. Everything has to be, all it has to be done is stucco. Everything else is complete on this home.
That's it.
Right. The stucco, I think the reason I love the stucco so much is I like the look of it, right? And then when we mix the wood with it, you got this different textures that go along with the house. So you got wood, you got stucco, you got your windows, your gutters, your boards down here. So, and we had done a house 5 years ago with stucco.
Yes.
And I was amazed by, it was ageless 5 years later. Now wood will always have to be stained, treated, painted, caulked, taken care of. It's living and breathing, man. Stucco is done, and it's synthetic, and it's rubberized, and it's waterproof. It's just, I like the product.
Yep.
All right. And the house is made out of steel. There's no 2x4s.
And you will never know that. There's no way that you would ever know
I couldn't get the guys to build these things efficiently, and that's why we slowed down or didn't build them anymore. And so, but this is my favorite home.
Yeah, this is a great layout.
All right, so you can see we got a bunch of junk in here on the floor because we're stuck on the walls. Everything else is done.
Yep.
Ace is drinking her water.
Oh, Ace.
So this is a 10-foot wide house, right? So let me step this off of about 3 foot per step. And if I go 1, 2, 3, that's 9. It's about 11 feet.
Okay.
All right. So you got over about 110 square feet in this one room.
Right.
This is what I love about this whole design. You have a huge room to do with what you will.
Yep.
Right? Mini split is
it is ice cold in here. It is so cold.
Now, when I built a regular residential home, mini splits were always put about this height. All right. Sometimes we put them up in the gables. Sometimes we put knee walls up here. We've changed this whole design around a little bit. We had a door over here, door over there.
Yeah.
This was my original design.
Yep.
And I liked it because you have your picture window, your big door back here. You've got sofa, entertainment center, or however you want to make it happen.
Big picture window. The
lot of
picture
wall
window
space.
makes it.
Yeah.
That's just awesome.
We put these decorative beams in here. I think it made it look more cottagey.
Yeah, I do too.
So you got the mixture of your stucco with this cottage look. We put these in here. I just thought it was a great idea.
I think it looks great. Absolutely.
So there's more wood and a little less stucco. Like up in the loft up there, it's got a wood ceiling, wood trim, wood floor, and the only thing that's stucco are the walls.
The walls.
Okay.
Okay.
So you got your mini split. Back behind here is your shower. Over here is your kitchen. Range hood was directly vented out. You can place for your microwave. Here's your stove top. The guy's got it covered up. Here's your stove top.
Yeah.
Put that there. Let me put that underneath there for him. Here's your sink, cutting board, gooseneck faucet.
And just a reminder, this is the same cabinets and everything that go into the model homes.
Model homes, the Incredibox. These are beautiful cabinets.
Yep.
So you can't get mad.
Yeah. Everybody liked you mentioning what they were.
I can't stand you anymore. I don't want to be here.
It's just not the same punch, you know? Yeah, no.
Like, man, it didn't even slam.
Man.
I remember.
You don't get that satisfaction.
Hey, I don't know, Amanda, you might remember, but do you remember maybe, not having slam-proof drawers and the fronts fall off and...
Do I remember that?
You know what? We need barn doors that are anti-pissed-off doors. You know
what I miss? I miss this so bad. Slamming a telephone. You don't know how many men I've slammed a telephone on. I mean, slammed it.
Really? But now you
just
throw
now
it.
you throw your phone, and you're the one that suffers.
It's a $1,000 throw.
That is it.
Oh, man.
I miss those days. Man.
Wow, I remember that now.
Yeah.
No, the cell phone thing.
Oh,
yeah. It's like,
well, because it was recent.
Yeah. Mine didn't go this way. Mine went that way.
No, yours goes straight down.
God.
So, but anyway, back on track.
I got to go back to where I was going. Water heater underneath here. This area here is for your refrigerator.
Yep.
Okay, plug for your refrigerator. I love this design. You know what? In a kitchen, you usually try to do a triangle, right?
Yes.
So you got your fridge, your sink, your stove, and if your stove would be over here if it was different, but I like this galley. The reason I like this, and the reason we designed this way is so you could have a big living room. If you took this kitchen, somebody asked me before I was designing a home the other day, they said, well, I don't want my kitchen near my bathroom.
Right.
I said, that's fine, I understand. Well, let's put the kitchen in your living room, in that area, right? But then you've got all this traffic area. You lost all that space.
I know.
Really? You lost space for furniture, living, entertainment center, desk, dining room, table. It's all gone because you want your kitchen down there.
Yeah.
Now you can make your bathroom bigger and have a closet. Anyway, I came up with the design because I thought this is a nice kitchen, nice sized kitchen with probably a full size refrigerator.
Sure.
A 10 cubic foot, no problem.
Very
probably
nice.
Bigger. It's wider than 24 here. It's about 30 inches wide. So it gives you ample room for a nice fridge. Okay. Inside your bathroom, it's a 32-inch shower.
Yes.
Toilet, and then underneath here is your washer and dryer.
Yep.
So this is a great place for a combination of washer and dryer. Now the washer and dryer is 36 inches tall. Gives you room if you want to put a shelf. I can see people coming in here. You got to in making room for their own storage. So this is for hang up clothes, shelves, whatever you'd like. Now
and the people that we talk to, they brag about the combo washer and dryer. They don't have any issues with it.
Zach and his wife have had it for years
in
their tiny home.
Yeah, exactly.
I think they use Splendor. That was the model that they used.
Oh, okay.
And it was fine. Yeah.
Let me switch places with you there. Here's the, and you said this is 32.
Yeah.
The shower.
Mm-hmm.
Still plenty of room.
Yep. And the mixture of stucco, wood, trim inside is just a great look. You know, you got your plug for compost if you ever wanted to go off grid. Mm-hmm. And it just all works well.
Yeah.
This has been a great floor plan for us. So you're looking at $50,000 for the house. Great Airbnb. We always used for an Airbnb. We had an investor that bought about 6 of these from us, and he used that area actually for luggage.
Right.
You know, because you're only in here for 4 or 5 days.
Correct.
The luggage, the refrigerator was right there.
Well,
nice
and
kitchen.
2, in the forest where this is going to go, there's plenty of these 10x20s out there.
Yeah.
So there's people, they come back and they tell us, they say, I absolutely love my house. It just feels good to them. It's got a great flow to it. Let me head upstairs. Did you want to go upstairs?
Oh, go ahead. You're fine. Go.
Are you sure?
Yep. Go ahead and be there.
So we're going to go up the stairs here. So it's wood on one side and stucco on the other.
You got it.
Right? Okay.
Yep. And
so
that's
go up.
about 24-inch wide stairs. Yep.
Okay.
And there's a 3-way switch. You turn it on down here, and you turn it off up there, and you got 2 egress windows. Mm-hmm. The loft is a wood floor.
Now I can stand up.
Now the loft is approximately 8 foot by 8 foot, so you can get a full size, you know, king size bed in here for sure. And you know, Amanda, most people fill the loft with a bed anyway.
They do, exactly.
Now, the headroom that you have is about 43 inches of headroom.
43 inches, okay.
Vertical and the highest spot. It might be a little bit less than that with that trim on the top there.
Plenty of plugs.
Yeah. So lofts are made to sleep. They're not made to walk around in. They come up here, get in the bed.
Change clothes, all that stuff. It's to sleep.
I always tell folks, don't put a closet up here. Don't put clothes up here. You're going to have to be carrying them down.
Yeah, exactly.
You know? But it's 8 by 8, 96 by 96 inches, and enough for a king size mattress.
Okay.
Queen, easy, of course, twin. But there you have it.
This is going to look so great on that forest lot, and it is a beautiful. We'll have to show the lot.
Well, we've had a waiting list for our forest lots if they came up. Mm-hmm. One came up, we kept it.
Yeah.
We had
well, this was always our lot.
Yeah.
It was.
We had a friend living on it.
Yeah, exactly.
And so they left, and then I thought, Amanda said, let's just keep it for a while. We don't know what we're going to do with it. This house came up for sale. I said, you know what? Let's sell this, put it on there, and the whole package deal. Now, if you go to our website, we have our model homes. That's this size is $66,000 just for the house.
Right.
All right. So this house and the lot is $60,000.
Right.
So it's a great deal. Savings of $15,000, $20,000 or more.
And listen,
then the house alone is $50,000.
And and the people, listen, the people that are in the forest, they're not leaving their forest lots.
Oh, it's
they're
coveted,
just not.
man.
It's a very coveted thing.
$200 a month.
You know, one of the perks to the forest was that it had instant landscaping. That's the one thing that helps a development, is that when it already has the trees, bushes, you know, all that, the ivy and all that kind of stuff like that. So you have instant landscaping. The beach is going to end up being beautiful. The prairie is coming into its own, but it does not have the landscaping that the forest does. A forest and a mountain with trees and stuff are just stunning.
It's pretty just as soon as you get in it.
Just as soon as you get in it. So this is going to be one beautiful house on a lot.
Yeah, so, add your deck later on, steps, whatever you want to it.
Exactly.
So,
okay. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
$50,000 just for the house, $60,000 for the house in the lot, everybody. If you give us an email, give us a call, let us know what you think. We need to contact those people that were the other day wanting the big 10x29s if they're interested, I'm sure, and we'll see what they do. All right. So thank you for watching.
Listen, this is going to be like the 10x29. This is not going to last long.
Yeah.
So info@incredibletinyhomes.com. Email, call us, call the office, 423-438-0111. Becky is going to be the one answering your call, or one of the girls. It'll be Alyssa or Amber.
Alyssa or Becky.
Or Amber. As Seth calls her, armbar.
All right. Thank you, guys.
All right. Bye.